Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to transfer crypto from crypto.com to Trust Wallet. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so here. So the cool thing about crypto.com here is you can do the transfer inside crypto.com. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the app itself, and you want to go ahead and click on the transfer button you see at the very top here. Now from then on, you want to go ahead and click on the withdraw option you see here. And in here, you want to go and choose external wallet. Now, from here on, what we need to do is we want to click on the plus button that you see at the top right of your screen. And in here, we want to go and choose wallet address. Now, in wallet address, you want to go and choose whichever cryptocurrency you want to make a transfer here. So as an example, maybe you want to choose Ethereum. Now, in here, you just need to provide some details. So the most important part here is you want to determine which network you're going to use. Now, you may need to check your Trust Wallet first, which network your wallet is currently using, to make sure it actually matches with what you will be choosing in here. So for example, if your wallet is using ERC20, go ahead and choose ERC20 here and just paste your wallet address in the section. Now you can even add a wallet name here as for easy identification if you want, and just click on continue. Now, once you've added out, you just need to look for your wallet here. So look for ETH, since we're choosing ETH here. Click on withdraw ETH next to the wallet. Again, make sure you're choosing the correct wallet here. That's why the name is really important for easy access. But click on withdraw ETH next to it. And from here, you just need to provide the amount and some details about it. So by the way, it will show you the conversion rate of how much your ETH is going to be worth currently. So you go and click on withdraw, and it might also ask you to verify yourself or verify the transaction. So just complete that. And by the way, before doing the transaction, you may want to do a sample transaction first, just to make sure that you've entered the correct details. So the transfer usually ranges from a few seconds to 1 minute. So just wait for the transfer to complete, but you should be good. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.